Hello, my friends, and welcome back to MTDCNC. I have the pleasure of being in Sweden today with my friends at Modig Machine Tool, and I'm with my friend Heléne. We're going to talk about the human resources and the hiring here at Modig Machine Tool. Now, if you're looking for a career that's going to really broaden your horizons in the manufacturing world, this might be the place you want to consider. However, I'm going to let Heléne talk a little bit more about what that is and how you can learn more about it. Can we learn a little bit more about what you're hiring for, positions, responsibility, and where they might be able to look it up so they can do the more research and send you in their resume?
Yes. We are looking for many positions, as you said. We are looking for electricians. We are looking for strategic buyers. We are looking for salespersons. It's really a wide range of positions, and it's not only here in Kalmar, Sweden. It's also globally at our offices. It's in Germany. It's in US. For our requirements, I would say the most important one is the interest of technology and the passion for it. The other requirements you will find on our career website at modig.se.
So we're saying this isn't just for people in Sweden, although we are looking for people in Sweden. This is for a global opportunity. So for those of you out there, it doesn't matter where you might be. And I understand this to be true because I interviewed a friend from India, a friend from Poland, a friend from Bosnia, a friend from Germany. So this really is one of those opportunities that if you're in your country, you're looking to maybe make a move into Sweden. And what maybe is most important, as we were just talking about, is your willingness to learn. I think I've learned while working with Modig that that's one of the initial key principles that they look for in a person when they bring them on is the willingness to learn. So it doesn't mean you have to come in with 30 years of experience in machine tools. There are positions across the company where they need people. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, very much so. We found out that the people in the office, if they have the eager to learn, there is so many possibilities to do that. And of course we are struggling because we have so many new positions right now to take care of everyone's coming in. But if you have the desire to learn, you have all the possibility to grow together with us.
And there you have it, my friends. This is Modig Machine Tool. You can find them at modig.se. Your willingness to learn is the most important. Positions across the board, hiring right now. And with that being said, I think I have an application right here that they have for me. I'm going to start filling mine out. I invite you to do the same. I'm sorry, my friends at MTD. It looks like a great position. I'm going to give it a try. I'll see you all out there, and thank you again for watching.